Hi there, question 4. A little bit wordy, but once you've read it and you've made some annotations on it, we're good. I'm going to highlight, but remember, don't highlight any actual working that you're doing because that will come up dark black when it's scanned in, so your examiner won't be able to read it. So, extreme sports, including wingsuit flying, are rapidly increasing in popularity, apparently. Sorry, any wingsuit flying enthusiasts. It involves skydiving from a high altitude whilst wearing a specialist wingsuit, whilst also which allows flyers to glide and thereby travel horizontally as well as vertically. So that's kind of important. In one competition, flyers are awarded points for their average horizontal speed during the competition window. Competition window is the time interval which starts when the flyer is at an altitude of 2960 meters and ends when the flyer is at an altitude of 1980. And you can find them in the table below. Okay, so this is a table of how a competitor has participated, and it says for this flyer, show that the average horizontal speed during the competition window is 47.54 to one decimal place. So the first thing we need to do is work out what we're doing. We've got to do speed, distance, time. So we're looking for show that the average horizontal speed. So we want the speed. So we need the distance. So distance divided by time. So the distance that we had, 2960 take away 1980, that's going to tell us absolutely nothing. And that's because that's the that's the vertical altitude. So that's just the window. So 4910 take away 2495 is our horizontal movement. So if they're flying sort of in there and there, and then the time it took is 123.2 take away 72.4. Okay, this is then all calculator input. 2415 divided by 50.8, and that's going to equal 47.5.5393708. And it's really important to write the whole number because this show that question needs it to be correct to two decimal places. And in order to show that we're able to round it to that two decimal places, we have to show the full decimal. And then we get to 47.54. Okay, part B. The graph below shows the horizontal speed of the flyer during the competition window. Bonus points are awarded if the flyer exceeds their average horizontal speed for at least 25% of their competition window. Was the flyer awarded the bonus? Show you're working to justify your answer. So, what was the average speed? We've got that at 47.54, and I'm going to take it at 47.5. So I'm going to estimate it. So we've got it above in here to here, and then here across to here. Now those points, if I look at them carefully, I've got 95. People may get different ones here to 99.5, and then below I'm going to put into there 101 and then 109. So they're the times in between these bits where they are above that speed. Now 99.5 take away the 95 is 4.5, so 4.5 seconds above that speed at that time. And then 109 take away 101 gives us 8. And then if we add them together, we get 12.5. So 12.5 seconds they were above that time. Now, the percentage. It's going to be divided by the total amount of time. So from here to here. But we've already got that in the previous part of the question, which is up here, 50.8. So that's going to be over 50.8, and then we multiply it by 100, and that gives us 24.60629921, which is less than 25, and therefore no bonus point. Now, the method is what we're looking for here. You can have different values. You could have a shorter period of time above the average, which would be in the bonus section. But as long as you've done the working in the way that I've done it, you can get full marks, but you must have a number less than 25 for that. Okay, how many times during the competition window was the flyer moving with 0 acceleration? So what we need to have for acceleration, that's where the speed isn't changing, for 0 acceleration. So we've got one there, one there, one there, one there, and then one up there. So that is 5. So 5 times, and each turning point on the graph represents 0 acceleration or constant speed. Okay, that's question 4 done, and I'll see you at question 5.